Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about maths of class 5th. I am Megha Halpati from Samarpan Gyan School. We are going to start a second lesson. The second lesson is about addition, subtraction and their applications. Now here, what do you mean by addition and subtraction? Addition means we add something, we add the numbers, and subtraction, we take away from the numbers, we take away from something. So here, first we are going to start with the addition. Now here, addition of a large number is the same as for smaller numbers. Okay. So first here one example is given. See. Ones, can you see here? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Can you see here how many places are given? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Now here the numbers are given. See. So it is 7 ones, 2 tens, 300, 1000 and 6000. So the whole number is 61,327. Same way another number is given for the addition. So which one is the second number? 39,855. Now you have to add this number. Okay, add this number. So 7 plus 5. Now everyone know it is a big number and it is a 5. So after 7, how many numbers you have to count? 5. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, after 7, 5 number you have to count. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 2 will be here and 1 will be carry on the next number. Okay, 2 will be right in the answer and 1 will be carry on the next number. Yes, now again we will start with the carry. If you not remember this carry, your answer will be wrong. So we are going to start with 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 it is 3 and 3 plus 5 it is 8. These are very small numbers. So 3 plus 5 it is 8. So here 8 is given. 8 is the sum of this number. So we will not carry anything on the next number. Now we are going on the hundreds. So 3 plus 8. Now again, which is the greater number? 8. So after 8 we will count 3 numbers. Okay. You know how to count addition. Now you are in 4th standard. So according to that you have to count the numbers. After big number you have to count the smaller number. Okay. After 8 you have to count 3 numbers. So after 8 it is 9, 10, 11. How many? Again after it is 9, 10 and 11. Okay. So 1 will be here and another 1 here. Carry on the next number. It is on 1000. Again same way. 1 plus 1 it is 2. Otherwise you can say 9 plus 1 10 and plus 1 11. Okay. Whenever in addition if 1 is greater number and 1 is smaller number, so you have to count after greater number. So it is easy to count you. So 9 plus 1 it is 10 and plus 1 it is 11. So 1 will be right in the answer and another 1 it is on the carry on the next number. Okay. Again same way you have to count it. 6 plus 1 it is 7. Now after 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here no numbers to carry because see lakh column is empty. Here no numbers are given. So 10 you have to write as it is. So what is the answer? It is 1,01,182. Okay. Here the larger number is given, but only 2 rows are given. So same way here B option is also given. Can you see B option? But here 3 rows are given, 3 columns are given. Can you see? Yes. Again same thing. Here question is given in lakh also, so you have to count it properly. Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. So as it is, you have to count it, all three numbers together. Whatever carry is there, you have to carry on the next number. Okay. 3 plus 2 it is 5, plus 1 it is 6, no carry. Yes. 5 plus 3 it is 8, and 8 plus 4 it is 12. So 2 here and 1 will be carry. Always remember, if you carry in this circle, so you can easily see that number, you can saw that number properly. Okay, so always write the carry in the circle. Yes. Now here, so see which one is the greater number is given. So here you can do one more thing. 7 plus 1 it is 8, another 8 it is 16. Okay, 8 plus 8 it is 16. After 16 you have to count 9 numbers. So after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. So 5 will be here and 2 will be carry on the next number. Again same way, if you having problem to count a greater number, so you can count it in line also, in a same line also. Like 2 plus 2 here 4, 4 plus 6 it is 10, 10 plus 7 it is 17. So 7 you will write here and 1 will be carry on the next number. Again 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 it is 7. And see 1, no numbers to sum here, no numbers to add in the 1, so 1 as it is. So your answer should be 1,77,526. Okay, this way you have to do these questions. Can you see here? Here some questions are given. So this question you have to solve A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This question you have to solve. Okay. Okay, thank you.